Favorite hero here?
Oh God. Mahesh?
I mean, you like Tollywood, Telugu movies?
Of course, I mean, definitely. I really respect, Telugu films and such some great actors like Mahesh Babu and all over here who are doing such amazing work. It's great to see them on screen.
Question உங்களுக்கு கேட்க போறேன். தமிழ் ஆடியன்ஸ்க்காக எப்போ ஒரு தமிழ் படம் பண்ண போறீங்க? I did an ad with VJ once. It was a long time ago, and of course I've done 2 Telugu films and 1 film in Malayalam. But right now, I mean, I'm too busy here, and it's always better. I think it's easier acting in a language you're more comfortable with. But I mean, I think the South film industry makes amazing films and amazing talent, and so many of the actors that are there are amazing. I watch a lot of their films, Vikram, Vijay, Mahesh. So I think there's some amazing people down there, and they're doing good work. In the Badatora music
Admire the most.
Who I admire the most, I definitely, because I worked with Rajni sir and because he had such a vast variety of films that have been so entertaining over the years. I am really fond of his movies. And other than that, I think there's Mahesh Babu, who I really like. Yeah.
So you have seen his work and you would love
some of them, not of course not too much, but I've seen some of his films.
And the favorite song of this movie?
Any specific actor or actress you would want to work with? I think Mahesh Babu is really cute.
And what about the Telugu industry, you have to say? It's hugely successful. You make huge budget films. There's actors that, we revere all over the country.
Your favorite?
Now, I don't know Telugu or Tamil, but I've liked Mahesh Babu very much.
I'm not very good with names.
Cinema. And a lot of his films really work with the audiences. Everybody has watched Bahubali. We've all watched it. And it's the kind of film that was waiting to be made in our country. And of course there's Mahesh Babu, a huge star. These are people who I really admire, and I think they do some amazing work, and they're like timeless. They just keep doing amazing work, keep surprising their audiences, keep getting
Heroes of the films, but I've seen, I became Mahesh Babu's fan after seeing Kokri, and Dad decided to remake that and make Wanted. You don't do films to put a value to your stardom and what you are going to achieve, because the audience is very fair. At least I believe that. Mahesh Babu is a star because I think agar Okru ke baad he would have done another film, there is a star inside and it would have emerged. Okru ended up being the film, but even after that he's proved time and time again that he deserves all the adulation and love he's got. So I think ek actor ke liye bas mehnat karna zaruri hai.
మీరు ప్రెజెంట్ మూవీస్ కూడా వాచ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా, తెలుగులో సినిమాలు చూస్తూ ఉంటారండి? తక్కువ. ఇప్పుడు ఉండే వాళ్ళలో నచ్చిన వాళ్ళు
గారి అబ్బాయితో బిగ్ ఫ్యాన్ ఆఫ్
మహేష్ బాబు.
Of course, I think Rajmouli sir really.
आपको किसी साउथ एक्टर को मल्टी स्टारर में आपके साथ पिक करना है?
मेरी बहुत इच्छा है, जब भी चाहें, एट एनी कॉस्ट, महेश बाबू एंड राघवेंद्र राव, आई एम रेडी टू कास्ट एंड आई एम रेडी टू प्रोड्यूस.
वाओ.
अगर होता है तो.
Any favorite hero? Tollywood.
Any favorite hero?
Tollywood especially.
I think I have always really liked Mahesh Babu as an actor. I think firstly, I think he's also Bollywood material. I think he can any day go into Hindi.
Too.
Yeah, totally. He's a really great actor.
Yeah.
He performs very spontaneously and he's pretty good looking. So yeah, it's been Mahesh Babu.
I have seen a couple of Telugu films, yes. Oh God, don't ask me the name of them. I've seen 2 of Mahesh Babu's, and I'm a big fan. Like he can do everything basically on screen, which is like something. I'm like, wow, he can do drama, he can do emotional, he can do comedy, and he still looks like this fantastic hero. It's he is, I think, the epitome of hero. You know what I mean? Like he can everything.
South में favorite actor कौन है आपका?
रजनी गारू हूँ, चंदी गारू हूँ, फिर महेश बाबू है,